Today we celebrate World Children's Day, a global moment to honor the rights of every child everywhere. Observed on November the 20th, this day marks the adoption of the Convention on the Rights of the Child, CRC. This year's theme, My Day, My Rights, is a powerful reminder that these rights are not privileges, they are universal and non-negotiable. Yet, in a world where poverty is deepening, conflicts are escalating, climate shocks are intensifying, discrimination persists, and civic space is shrinking, millions of children are being denied these basic rights. In this video, we listen to children's voices as they share their realities, their hopes, and their understanding of what rights mean in their lives.
Idane direitu labarik-kidek ninia atu mori si família idane be na kono hodomi no cuidado.
Labarik-hotu iha direitu atu expresa sira-nia talento no hetang suporta husi inangamang no mestre sira.
Labarik-sira tem que sempre hetang oportunidade atu expresa sira-nia hanoin no sira-nia ideia ba ema adulto sira.
Labarik-hotu direito a limar contente no livre.
Labarik-hotu iha direitu atu acesso ba educação, ba limar atu ema rona sira, mas que labarik-sira nebe mak mori so deficiência.
These messages are clear. Fulfilling children's rights is not optional. It is a shared responsibility for governments, communities, and every one of us. Together, we must act with urgency and commitment to ensure that every child, everywhere, can live, learn, and thrive.